All the Galaxy S23 lineup will get this world's fastest piece of hardware. You see, the S23 Ultra is guaranteed to have a 200-megapixel camera sensor, and Ice Universe is giving more light on how it's gonna to perform in the real world. He's saying the S23 Ultra camera's full well capacity will not be aggressive to 10,000 RMS. RTN and FPN are significantly optimized. He's basically saying the camera post-processing won't be as aggressive as the S22 Ultra, which means Samsung is going for a more natural look instead of the oversaturated and overprocessed look we have on current Samsung flagships. He also mentioned that Samsung has improved night photography by quite a margin. Now we have actual performance benchmarks that have leaked which indicate that the S23 Ultra could actually beat the iPhone 14 when it comes to performance, which will be a major win. So here's a leak that highlights the Geekbench benchmark scores for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, which will be the chip powering the Galaxy S23 Ultra. We have a single score of 1521 and a multi-core score of 4689 for the S23 Ultra, and we are seeing 25% increase in the single-core performance and a 40% increase in the multi-core performance over the S22 Ultra. The S23 Ultra will also have UFS 4.0 storage that is not only twice as fast as the one on its predecessor, but it's also 45% more efficient. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is also reported to have the world's fastest RAM on any mobile phone, the LPDDR5X, bringing a complete upgrade in all three important parameters when it comes to driving optimum performance on a mobile phone. Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with the less curved display, more boxy design, and it will be slightly thicker, around 0.1 mm. If we compare the measurements, Galaxy S23 Ultra will measure 163.4 into 78.1 into 8.8 mm, compared to 163.3 into 77.9 into 8.9 mm. For the Galaxy S22 Ultra, Samsung is one of the few smartphone manufacturers to offer a periscope-style telephoto camera with optical zoom. On its premium phones, the company seemingly wants to double down on and capitalize on its strengths. Nevertheless, assuming that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will have sensor shift stabilization technology for the telephoto sensor. The Galaxy S23 Ultra battery is also tipped in report with a capacity of 5000 mAh. That's the same as the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which we expected, but are glad to see backed up anyway. The Galaxy S23 Plus will alligator feature a 4700 mAh battery, which would be a minor increase over the Galaxy S22 Plus 4500 mAh. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.